What's up, guys? Today we'll be trying to shoot that red deer that we saw last time, and he's right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get closer and then just shoot him. Hopefully it's gonna be a good shot, but we can only hope. He is kind of perfectly right there. There's also a sixer. Maybe I can get a good double shot. But I'm definitely gonna go for the sevener and then just try to hit a good shot on the sixer over there. Alright, that should be the perfect spot right there on the beach. Because we're perfectly on his level. On their level. Right. Let's just get ready. Yeah, wait. I need to get this perfect. Come on. No, wait, my heart needs to chill out. Right. I feel like I missed that one though, but let's see. Yep, one's dead. The other one I probably missed. Let's see. Is that the dead body? What the heck? What? He's not. He's stuck. I just went for brain. Maybe he's dead. Okay, I have no idea what happened. Looks like they're both kind of floating in the water. Yup, they're both dead. Wow. Alright. Both floating in the water. What is wrong with these guys, bro? Alright, so we got one. Yep, that was the good one. And we got this one. Not so good. And we got this one. Alright. And then we got this one over here. What the heck? What is that? How much money did I just make? What? Oh. Oh. Holy crap. That is a crazy hunting. Are they running? Oh, he's a 7. Wait. I could hit that. I could definitely hit that. Wait. I'm kind of smooth with it. Chill. Nah, I can't hit that. Bro, what was that? That was only a massacre. Why were they so laggy? They were lagging like crazy. Man, I don't even know if I... What the heck is that? And now there's ducks. Is free good for ducks? I don't even know. I just killed the entire lake. There's no animals anywhere. I have to get out of here. What? Oh, let's just go to this one. When they... Oh, they should be right there. The fellow they're eating. If they are there, that's gonna be really good. And nice. Let's just see. So if I look correctly, they should be right over here. Come on. Oh, I need to reload. This gun needs some reloading. Alright. Come on. Come on. I don't think there's any here. Yeah, there's not any warning calls and I'm jumping around. What the heck? There's no warning calls and I'm jumping and stuff. Yeah, there's definitely none here. Has this burrow been used? Probably not. Oh, so there might be bunnies here. Actually, they're called rabbits. Like, I don't know. Oh, I want to get... That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's a perfect shot. That should hit, like, liver or lungs or something like that. Come on. Please tell me I hit something good. Oh, there he is. What was the shot then? That was so good. Wait, what was the shot? What? Ah, that's what I predicted. It was a little low though. Right, we got him though. Yeah. Can't see anything. Oh my gosh. I don't even think this thing can see through this. Maybe. Is it like? Oh yeah, there's like a shooting stand over there. Let's test my aim really quickly. Let's see from how far I can zoom in and still hit everything. It's like right over here. I don't even know if you can teleport it. I think you can. Oh, let's see what my aim is. Oh, we can see it now. It's like right here. Bro, I'm gonna go max setting and see if I can hit something. Max distance. See what I can get. Oh, it's raining. This is horrible weather, but let's see. Wait, alright. Oh my god. We need max. Max is 500. Alright. Holy crap. Holy. Alright, this is a long shot. Let's see. Holy crap. Wait. I gotta lock in. My heart's gotta chill. I'm gonna get down low. I hit, alright. I actually hit something. Bro, my heart actually needs to chill. I'm gonna check with the ranger, because it has a worse scope, way worse. I'm pretty sure I'd not even hit. I have to go all the way to the bottom. Wait, which stand am I on? 8. Alright. Let's see. I haven't been shooting on 8. I'm like stupid. What have I been doing? Alright. I'm changing it. Max might be a little bit too far. Let's go 300. That's something I can hit. Bro. This kid's heart needs to chill. Alright, 6. 10. Yeah, I was probably not as well. Because my heart is going crazy. Alright, up, 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 up. Come on. 8. 4, that was not very good. 7. 42. Bro. Alright. We're not gonna make this whole episode this stuff. Let's see. Well, I spotted a red deer here last time. Maybe there's some new ones, but I'm pretty sure there's not. Let's see. Warning calls or something, but I just don't think there's anything here. Some buffaloes, or bison. I mean, I could probably. Is that a 4? Isn't like 5 the highest for buffaloes? There's nothing else on this lake. Wait, so that would be a gold one, right? Oh wait, there's also one laying down. No, 4 is easy then. You know what? I'm just gonna shoot it with this gun. I just love killing bison so easy. And it's so fun. Alright, they were right here. What? Alright. What are they doing? How are they doing warning calls? I just shot at them. What? There's no way he's doing a warning call if I just shot at him. These bison are really stupid. Oh no, I need to reload. Wait. I'm about to put like 10 more shots in him. Because it's just so fun. Where is he at? I got you. He's aggressive. Oh. Then come here, little bro. Yeah, now. Oh yeah. Where? Is that heart? Because he just got down. That might have honestly been heart. Yeah, that shot looks like it was heart. Right back there? What was that? No, it was not heart. Okay, so I just hit like both livers or something? Yeah. Lungs. Yeah, both lungs. Alright. Honestly, I'll take that. See ya. Alright guys, I'm gonna make this the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. And see you in the next one. Take care.